Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huang, Invention Credit, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, the application knowledge targeted for yourself protect your own health. The correct mother knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. Requirement for participating to learn and obtain effects and so on. We are put on the following after teaching video. Please, everyone must carefully to read and watch. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class we give lesson about this action, leg action, hand action, shoulder action, and connect. Many people ask, how many quantity we need to do for each day? Good question. We give exact answer is 100 times for each day. Shall we do more? No. Because after a few decades deeply research and back practice, we got conclusion is one action cannot to do too much, because if we do more, maybe we'll hurt our inside some parts and others. That's what we don't want, right? So keep your day, one day, do 100 times. It is enough. Somebody asked, shall we do less? Yes, special for beginner. You just join. You need practice. You need repeat. You need adjust the correct actions, so you can do less. However, when you get the profession, you must do 100 times each day in order to protect your health. Before we do that action, couple things we need everybody know. Number one, the feet touch floor should likely cannot make any sound. Number two, the feet is back raised. Back raised. Cannot kick. Yes, just raised. No power, just raised. And the knee short cross. Cannot straight cross. Number two, keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. Number three, one shoulder high and one shoulder down. It is a limit. And switch one shoulder high, one shoulder down. Also is a limit. Straight. and finger open, make the ball catch ball, and then middle finger put your pens, same outside side seam, and smooth up, down, and the knee cross. Okay, we also need count. Use the two different language. In here, we choose the English and Hanyu. There are two different language. Somebody asked, why should we choose two different language? Good question. We give the correct answer is we want to protect our tricky and long, far away bronchitis, pandemic, and lung disease, and either lung cancer, and so on, many diseases. So we need two different language to count. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Japanese. Right? It's the hometown language. Only two different language enough. Okay, we also need to keep eyes straight and with your smiling face. Okay, now everybody follow me to do 1 day action quantity 100 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 10 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Very good. Somebody asked, I do this action, why haven't warm up? Because we do this action is slowly. So it's suddenly warm up because we research, discover, and finally got the conclusion there's a total 40 different actions. It is including warm up and relax. So everybody must following our action schedule 1, 2, 3, 4 and study like the warm up and finally like relax, make comfortable. Learn correct knowledge, must correct knowledge. You can discover, protect your head to change to easy. At home, you can do. Of course, you can protect your head. You got head. You far away many diseases. Enjoy your beautiful life.